You're getting better and better with getting a common denominator when those are different in an addition and subtraction problem. You know that when we get the common denominator, we are allowed to keep it, copy it to our answer. Then subtract the numerators, subtract the whole numbers if you have a mixed number. But what if the numerator of the first fraction is too small? That's the next thing that we're going to need to learn. Our problem is asking us to take 1 1/2 and subtract 3/4 from it. Well, obviously the pieces are not the same size, so we're going to have to make common denominators. If we change our halves into fourths, we could have, if we take one of our this half and change it to fourths, we can get 2/4 out of the half. That's good. So we could change this top fraction to 1 1/4, or 1 2/4, because we have 2/4 here that made up this half. The 3/4 just stay the same. Okay, we have common denominators, so we can keep the denominator and subtract the numerators. 2 take away 3. Oh, there's not enough. So now we have to break apart the whole circle and find out how many fourths are in that. We're going to have to change this one whole into fourths. We're going to change our 1 into 4/4, because that's how many fourths you can get out of a whole. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let me move these down a little bit. So now our fraction is actually 4/4 from the whole that we renamed and 2 that we had. So now we have 6/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 3/4 doesn't change at all. It just gets moved over into position. All right, the denominators are still the same number, so we can copy it. Finally, the top number is larger than the numerator on the first fraction is larger than the numerator on the second fraction, so we can subtract. 6 take away 3 is 3. So if I was to take 3 of these pieces away, 1, 2, I can just take this whole thing away. 1, 2, and then 3. I would be left with 1, 2, 3 orange pieces. 3/4. That's what I have here.